I get asked this question all the time. How to remove a connection on LinkedIn from the web browser? Well, it's really pretty easy. You go to their LinkedIn profile, and from their LinkedIn profile, you have to click on the word more, and then you click on down here where it says remove connection. Just so you know, that is absolutely an immediate action. It does not give you an option to confirm. It will immediately remove the connection, and the person will immediately become a second level. However, the person does not get a notification that you've removed the connection. The only way they'll know that you removed the connection, let me do that here. Connection to Roman has been removed. The only way they're going to know it is when they look at their LinkedIn profile the next time, and they're going to see that they are now second or third level to you. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn sales navigator, strategist, and advisor. Hope this is helpful for you.